Hello guys, TavHD here and welcome back to another video. Look what's just come up in software update, macOS Catalina, and that is macOS 10.15. And just before we get on with this video, I just want to apologise if there's any weird noises going on. And some of the neighbours are having work done to their houses and they've been here all day, so I've been putting this video off, but I've just got to get it done now, so apologies for that. So today we are going to be installing macOS Catalina on my laptop. It is a 15-inch MacBook Pro. It's from 2015, just the baseline model. So let's get straight into this. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an upgrade. I'm not going to do a fresh install or anything like that because I need to keep all of my software and things. And I've just done a Time Machine backup in case anything goes wrong, because this is just 10.15 and not a 0.1 update. There's probably a few things that are going to go wrong. So I've got a backup of Mojave in case I need to go back to that. But now let's just upgrade. And now what it's going to do is just download the updates, and that is 8.09 gigabytes, about 30 minutes remaining. So I guess once that's done, I'll come back. Well, that's downloaded, and I just wanted to talk about a few things and why I'm going to be upgrading to Catalina. There's been a few issues I've been having with Mojave, just a few little glitches that I hope will not be there in Catalina. And I didn't really want to upgrade because the computer will probably get even slower, because since I upgraded to Mojave, can't exactly remember when that was, but I did make a video on that, the computer became quite a bit slower than how it was on High Sierra. But overall I'm glad I upgraded to Mojave because I got dark mode and things like that. And hopefully there'll be some new good features in Catalina that'll make me want to stick with it instead of restoring the Time Machine backup. And of course iTunes is going to be no more. So let's just take one final look at that logo. Okay, so that logo is going to be gone very soon. It'll be replaced with music, podcasts and Apple TV. But hopefully the update will be worth it and we'll get some good new features. Okay, it's just been about half an hour and look what's popped up, macOS Catalina. Good image by the way. I'll probably set my background to that once it's installed. To set up the installation of Catalina, click continue. Now I'm not going to do that yet because I'm just going to start filming another video comparing the performance of this laptop running Mojave to the laptop running Catalina. So once I've filmed that, I'll come back and carry on with this. Okay, it's finally time to install macOS Catalina, so let's click continue there. Of course we've got all the license agreement that of course nobody ever reads, but oh well, I guess we'll agree to that. And we want to install it on, yep, Macintosh HD, and now I've got to enter my password. Okay, there we go. It is now going to install on Macintosh HD and it says about 20 minutes remaining. The computer is about to restart now because Catalina is ready to install. There we go, there's the Apple logo and the progress bar. I have no idea how long this is going to take. Probably not too long because previous operating systems haven't taken that long, maybe 20 minutes? Okay, so a time remaining has just come up and it says about 25 minutes, but I doubt it will really take that long. Okay, the laptop's just rebooted a few times and it was just estimating how long it would take left. It now says about 9 minutes remaining, but the fans are also spinning quite quickly and the screen has just gone black now. Alright, it's rebooting again. Hopefully this won't take too much longer. Okay, it's been about half an hour and the computer's come back on. You can see the new background there. I believe it is dynamic like the one in Mojave. So it changes throughout the day. I'll just log in now. And of course we get the usual things where we've got to accept or decline. Okay, so just the usual things here about analytics. Help share with Apple, no. Don't really want to do that. Okay, screen time. I believe that's new. Let's do that. Seems to be taking its time here. Okay, setting up my Mac. And there we go. It's booted back up into the operating system here, and oh, lots of things coming up here. Let's just go away, go away, go away. Updates, I'm not sure about that. Okay, so since this is a new operating system, I think it's only fair that we change our background to one of the new ones. So, and this is the new redesigned settings window as well. Looks decent, it's been rearranged I think, so all the relevant things are together. Desktop and screensaver. Okay, and here are the dynamic ones. We've still got the Mojave one there, if that will apply yet, but we are going to use the Catalina one, and we are going to put it onto dynamic so it will change throughout the day. So that's nice, but I've just noticed this folder on the desktop. And this folder, as you can see, is called relocated items, and when we open that, there's a document in here that says what are relocated items, and when I open that, it explains what they are, and it's because some of the files couldn't move to their new locations, and it contains all of these things. But then in this folder there's really nothing I can do anything with. It's just security things and configuration things that don't seem to be anything that I can do anything with, so I'm assuming the computer knows what it's meant to be doing with those, so that should be fine. But I'm not sure where I'm meant to put this folder now, because I don't really want it just there on my desktop. And something else I've noticed in the dock is there's some sort of no entry sign on certain programs such as Audacity there, and also Steam, and when we click on them it basically says that Steam needs to be updated. The developer of this app needs to update it to work with this version of macOS. Now, I'm not exactly sure why that is. I know that there's no longer support for 32-bit programs, but I don't believe this is 32-bit, so there must just be some other sort of compatibility issue. And something else in the dock is now iTunes has gone, and we've got the music app, podcasts and TV. And the music app basically still looks the same as iTunes, but it just only does music related things now, and it basically just makes more sense really. And also they've redesigned the App Store logo, that looks a bit better. But the computer seems to be working just fine. It seems to not have turned into a sluggish mess like I thought it might have done, because this computer is kind of getting on a bit now. So it seems to be fine, and I think that that really is everything that I wanted to do in this video. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one, which is going to be a comparison between Mojave and Catalina to see if there are any performance differences. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.